Alien, why did you just violently explode? Human, oh, that was a sneeze. Totally normal. Normal? You launched air out of your body at what looked like lethal velocity. Yeah, about 100 miles per hour, sometimes faster. It's how our bodies clear irritants like dust or pollen from our noses. My species simply filters impurities quietly. You detonate? Pretty much, and it's unpredictable. You can feel one coming, your whole face scrunches up, then boom. That cannot be efficient. Oh, it gets weirder. Sometimes sunlight can trigger sneezes, and if someone tries to hold it in, they risk bursting a blood vessel. So your survival depends on launching microscopic projectiles into the atmosphere at random. Yeah, we even say bless you afterwards, like it's dangerous magic. It is dangerous magic. You weaponize your own lungs and everyone just accepts it? Gesundheit. I need a hazmat suit.